Okay guys, today I'm going to change the fob batteries in both of these again. So I've just bought this car. I don't know how old the battery is in this one. It still works, as you can see. It's got a little flashy red light there. But this one was dead and I've already taken the battery out. So we went down. These are the batteries we need to replace it. This is in Australia, I hope. Okay, and while you're pulling it apart, you might as well take the chance to clean it. I've already done it because I don't like things that are gross. So just a couple of things that you'd want to do and need is an earbud cleaner, a toothpick to get into, sorry that's not recording, oops, just to get into the little areas in here. You can kind of scrape them out, and if that doesn't work you can also use an old toothbrush just to go through it. Also, not here, we'll pull these out and you clean those. But the emblem's pretty hard to clean as well, so I just used a toothbrush to go through there like that lightly and clean it just with a bit of warm soapy water. Not too much obviously because it's electronics, and just scrape out what you needed to with the toothpick. Okay, these have been designed really cool. I guess most cars are like this, I don't know. This is my first experience with key fobs. So what we're going to do is basically take out the key from here, and you need to push this little button here. So you push it and the key slides out. Okay, and now the cool little feature is on the top of this key here, you've got this little flat area which is used to open the actual case, which I think is a really cool design. So if you have a look here, you'll see the slot just here. So you pop it in here gently. Let's hope this goes well, and then give it a twist. And that should pop open. And carefully open it. And we have our two parts. Okay, just move the key away. Now here, just be careful, but you can actually pull this out if you want to clean it. This was really gross when I cleaned it earlier. This is one of the first things I did when I got the car, to be honest. I just don't want someone else's DNA all through my key fob, you know what I mean? So yeah, I've cleaned this out here, just used, as I said, a toothpick and the earbud and a bit of a toothbrush to give it a scrub so it's nice and clean. Okay, and these pop out as well. This is the car eject. Obviously be very careful of these tabs, they are delicate. This one pushes out as one complete set, very simple. They can only go in one way, so don't worry about not being able to put them back in. So these are all grimy as well, so all I did was just just go across very carefully with this and the toothpick and a little bit of brushing if needed. And yeah, you can tell that's all nice and clean, and the same in here as well. Be careful of moisture in here with electronics. But yeah, just went through here and just cleaned out each one, and threw all the little bits and pieces here, so that's all nice and clean as well. Okay, but yeah, I've already done that, so we'll move on. Okay, this bit here just basically falls out, so just be very careful. Just tip it over. I think you can push it on one corner, or maybe you can just... Actually, I'll just use the toothpick since I've got it. It should pop out. Gently does it. Here we go. Okay, and I've already obviously pre-cleaned this. Alright, so battery. Positive side facing up. I've forgotten how this slides in. I guess it's just this way. Just gently does it. There we go. And same back in, so turn it around. There's the connector points obviously. Just push it back in gently. There we go, try not to touch it too much with your fingers with oil and stuff like I just did, that's not a good thing. So yeah, so we'll put these back in now. There's a little tab here so you know which way it can go. Obviously it's one way only. And this has a little seat on here too, it fits into this little notch. I don't know if you can see it right there. It sits there nicely, and the rubber guard over the top. Okay, this way is up. That way is up. Pop it in, it should slot in nicely. And just push it back together now. just make sure all the buttons are seated correctly, and hopefully that works now. Yes, success. Ta-da! And that's how you change it. Also remember to put back in your key. Obviously you don't have to push the button, just slide it back in, I think. Click. And there you go, battery change for your key fob. And try to do both at the same time if you've just got another car, because you don't know how old they were, and that way you've got your spare and you know roughly that they're when they both need to be changed. And I like to use the one that doesn't have my house keys and everything in my pocket when I'm just doing basic washing or messing around with the car, and then this one when I go out. Alright guys, thank you very much. I'll catch you later. Cheers.